हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इन भैरव सीए क्लासेस। आज मैं फिर एक बार हाजिर हूँ करंट अफेयर्स का पिटारा लेके। तो ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं आज की करंट अफेयर्स शुरू कर रहा हूँ। और प्लीज़ जितना हो सके मेरे चैनल भैरव इन सीए क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और दूसरों को नए नए करंट अफेयर्स पाने का मौका दीजिए। नंबर 1, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स लॉन्च ट्राइबल हेल्थ and nutrition portal named Swasth and e-newsletter on health and nutrition named Alek. Union Minister of Tribal Affairs named Arjun Munda and Minister of State for Tribal Affairs named Renuka Singh Saruta. Number 2, United Kingdom has been launched Innovation Challenge Fund in India. Hence, the fund will help scientists in industry to address the COVID-19 pandemic and climate changes. Number 3, Marine Product Export Development Authority has been set up a quality control lab in Porbandar, Gujarat. This lab will offer test for seafood as well as exporters to confirm to product safety as per international regulatory requirement. Number 4, Chhattisgarh government has announced a student-centric scheme named as Padhai Tuhar Para. This scheme help of community in village in view of suspension of class due to coronavirus. Boltu ke ball a Bluetooth-based program to provide study material to those students who living in remote area. Number 5, Rakesh Asthana appointed as new Director General of Border Security Force. BSF formed on 1st December 1965. Its headquarters is New Delhi. Number 6, the Security Exchange Board of India has appointed G.P. Garg as Executive Director. Chairman of SEBI Ajay Tyagi. Number 7, Multi-Commodity Exchange of India launched India's first bullion index named Bulldex on 24th August 2020. With gold and silver as underlying, Bulldex will have a market lot size of 50 and be cash settled future contract. Number 8, Google and Central Water Commission of India have launched the flood forecasting initiative across India for the past several months. Central Water Commission of India Chairman Rajendra Kumar Jain, Central Water Commission Headquarters, New Delhi, Seva Bhavan. Number 9, All India Football Federation has launched the web platform e-Pathshala in partnership with Sports Authority of India. ये e-Pathshala क्या है? This platform is an athlete coaching program in football for grassroots and intermediate and has been launched to recognize the interest of children in football. Number 10, retired Air Vice Marshal Arjun Subramaniam has authored a new book titled Full Spectrum, India's War 1972 to 2020. It is sequel to his first book, India's War, a military history 1947 to 1971. Number 11, Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jasrath passed away. He was born in Haryana in 1930. In 2000, the government conferred him with Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian honor in the country. Number 12, Director Nishikant Kamath passed away. He made his directorial debut in 2005 with Marathi movie. Number 13, on 2nd anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, CM of Madhya Pradesh Shivraj Singh Chauhan announced Gwalior-Chambal Expressway will be named as Atal Bihari Vajpayee Chambal Progressway. He served as the Prime Minister in 1996 from 1998 to 1999 and termed 5 years from 1999 to 2004. Under the leadership, nuclear tests were conducted in Pokhran, Rajasthan. Number 14, Indian Railway Minister Piyush Goyal has been introduced drone-based surveillance system. As a result, RPF has procured 9 drones at a cost of around 32 lakh at South Eastern Railway, Central Railway, Coaching Factory, Rai Bareli and South Western Railway. Number 15, Fino Payment Bank has launched Jan Bachat Khata. क्या है ये जन बचत खाता? It is an Aadhaar authentication based digital savings account that brings neo banking experience to customer. इसमें और क्या क्या है? Under the जन बचत खाता, customer can transact at a Fino branch with fingerprint and OTP combination, while at non-Fino they need Aadhaar authentication. Important points of Fino Payment Bank. Headquarter of Fino Payment Bank, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman of Fino Payment Bank, Professor Mahendra Kumar Chauhan. MD and CEO of Fino Payment Bank, Rishi Gupta. Established Fino Payment Bank on 13 July 2006. Number 16. And memorandum of association has been signed by Flipkart with Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Patna. क्या है इस एग्रीमेंट में? This memorandum of association will encourage industry focus applied. IIT Patna also will conduct a number of programs like joint activities, seminar, etc. CEO of Flipkart is Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Number 17. Sports eyewear brand Oakley has appointed Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma its brand ambassador for a period of 2 years in India. As a part of partnership, Sharma will sporting Oakley eyewear equipped with Prism technology specially for sports lens. Number 18. President of India Ramnath Kovind has appointed Satyapal Malik as the governor of Meghalaya with effect from 18th August 2020. He was serving as the governor of Goa. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Kosari has been given additional charges as Governor of Goa in addition to his own duties. Number 19. Ashok Lavasa has stepped down as the Election Commissioner of India. He has submitted his resignation to President of India Ramnath Kovind. Lavasa is said to join Vice President of Asian Development Bank from September 2020. Some important points to know. Chief Election Commissioner of India Sunil Arora, President of Asian Development Bank Masatsugu Asakawa. Number 20. Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma, wrestler Vinesh Phogat, table tennis player Manika Batra, Paralympian M. Thangavelu are the 4 persons whose name has recommended for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award 2020. कुछ जानकारी बातें. Rohit Sharma became the 4th cricketer after legendary Sachin Tendulkar, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli to be conferred the award. Number 21. Title sponsorship right of IPL 2020 has been backed by the fantasy gaming startup Dream 11. This fantasy gaming startup has backed the title sponsorship right of rupees 222 crore. It has backed the right as expression after the Chinese mobile phone brand Vivo pulled out. The title right backed are valid till 31st December 2020. Number 22. England World Cup winner all-rounder Laura Marsh has announced his retirement from all form of cricket. She was member of England women team that won the 2017 World Cup. Number 23. World Humanitarian Day celebrated on 19th August everywhere. This day is celebrated to pay humanitarian personnel and those workers who lost their lives. World Humanitarian Day 2020 is the 11th edition of World Humanitarian Day. Headquarter of WHO, Geneva, Switzerland. Number 24. Computer scientist Russell Chris, who invented Pixel and scanned the world's first digital photograph, passed away. He created a small 2x2 inch black and white digital image of his son, which was first image ever scanned into computer. Number 25. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs Hardeep Singh Puri has launched a mobile for loan application of street vendor under the Prime Minister Atmanirbhar Nidhi scheme. 26. Under the Ministry of Ayush, Delhi Police has signed a memorandum of understanding with All India Institute of Ayurveda. This memorandum of understanding will offer for health services in the residential colony of Delhi Police.